Hello and welcome to the Girls U16 FAW Cup draw. With us doing the draw today I have Jarmo Matakainen, the Wales women's team manager, and Angela Roberts, the women's team officer. This stage of the competition is an important stage because it's the prize money comes in, so all teams in the draw are guaranteed £500. The semi-finalists then get £1,000, the runners-up £2,000 and the winners £4,000. Just before we start, Jarmo, preparations for the Greece International going well?
Yeah, we've been doing the test week last week and this week around Wales, north, south, and then we went to London yesterday, and today we travel up to Swansea, testing all the senior team candidates and making sure that everybody takes good care of themselves during the Christmas break, because we play already on 15th of January.
We're less than 9 months until the UEFA Women's Under-19 Championships. How's those preparations coming on?
Yeah, we've had a busy summer and autumn. That's basically when we started the preparation with the women under-19s, and some of those players have participated the test days, and then we have early January 8th to 10th we have 3-day test and training camp with the candidates again. So we've got a busy January coming up for all the women's teams.
Good, and best of luck with that.
Thank you.
Okay, so for the draw, Jarmo will draw the home clubs and Angela will draw the away clubs. We'll start with the south, and the numbers: Cardiff City Ladies 1, Troy de Rue 2, Vale 3, and Llanarafon Ladies are number 4. Okay.
That would be number 3.
And that's the Vale Girls.
Number 4.
And that's Llanarafon Ladies.
That would be number 1.
And that's Cardiff City Ladies at home.
And hopefully number 2.
And they'll play Troy de Rue. So we can just put those ones back in. And for the north, number 1 is Kinmel Bay, number 2 is Bethel, number 3 is Norfolk Hall, and number 4 are Mardy Tigers.
That would be number 4.
And that's Mardy Tigers.
Against number 2.
And they will play Bethel.
And that would be number 1.
And that's Kinmel Bay.
And number 3.
And they will play Norfolk Hall Girls. And those ties are to be played on Sunday, the 3rd of February.